The Torrent E-Rack is a poolside training device designed for coaches, swim teams, and researchers of sports science and physiology. The Torrent E-Rack is capable of measuring, recording, graphing, and displaying all of the key parameters of a swimmer's performance, all in real time. It's the first swim training device able to do this. The E-Rack can also speed assist and tow. It can measure, graph, store, and display a swimmer's distance, time, speed, power, force, peak speed, peak power, and maximum thrust over distances up to 50 meters. Results can be examined in real time, recorded, and saved as Excel data files for later analysis and record keeping. A photographic strobe attachment allows synchronized recording of data with a video camera. The Torrent E-Rack comes in a rugged, maintenance-free stainless steel enclosure with waterproof fittings. The unit contains a speed sensor, electronically controlled force generating system, motor, electronic power interface, electronic signal conditioning hardware, electronic hot shoe, and data acquisition hardware for interfacing with Torrent data acquisition programs. A USB cable connects the E-Rack's data acquisition unit to a computer. A tension line that attaches to the swimmer's waist belt is made of high-performance Spectra cable. The line is lightweight and long-lasting. The cord reel and line are inert to pool chemicals. The Torrent E-Rack comes with highly flexible software that can run 6 different test and training programs. The Torrent data acquisition programs are key to using the E-Rack. All 6 programs are included with the trainer. The speed and power program allows the user to measure and record time, distance, peak speed, peak power, and stall force or maximum dynamic thrust up to 43 pounds. These values are used to evaluate a swimmer's speed and power, determine appropriate resistive training forces, and assess the swimmer's improvements periodically throughout a training program. When power is plotted against strokes and peak power is plotted against peak speed, it is possible to compare the performance of a swimmer to the performance of the fastest swimmers and determine the most appropriate training protocol for improving strength or speed. This can't be achieved by measuring speed alone, as done in other systems. In the resist training program, you set the desired resist training force, the number of repetitions, and the repetition interval with on-screen controls. The swimmer swims out against your set resist force to the far end of the pool or other predetermined distance. The E-Rack senses when the swimmer stops and retrieves the swimmer to the starting position. The E-Rack then pauses for the interval you have set, then the swimmer is signaled to start the next repetition. After your set number of repetitions has been completed, the instrument stops. All data can be stored for later analysis. Speed assist training is one of the unique capabilities of the E-Rack. There are 3 versions of this program: assist training only, combined resist and assist training, and speed towing. In the speed assist training program, you set the assist force that gives your desired training speed with an on-screen slider, and there is no resist force set in this mode. The swimmer swims out at a preferred unresisted speed, and at the turn, the set assist force is automatically applied and assists the swimmer to swim at a higher speed returning to the start. Notice that the program captured the free unresisted speed going out and the assisted speed returning to the start. This allows your swimmer to train at a higher speed and cadence without distorting stroke mechanics. In the combined resist and assist program, you can set both the outgoing resist force and return assist force. This combines in one trial the abilities of both the resist trainer and the assist trainer. In the speed towing program, a larger force may be set. This is used to tow a swimmer at elevated speed to test the effect of posture on drag during streamlining. Better streamline gives faster speeds at smaller forces and helps to analyze the effects of posture during push-off. A timed 10-meter sprint program measures the swimmer's average speeds over repetitive 10-meter sprints with selected resist forces. It displays in real time distance, 10-meter time, average speed, power, and force. It allows the coach to quickly determine the number of strokes, strokes per meter, meters per stroke, and power in watts per stroke. All of the modes record instantaneous and average speed over the length of the training distances so that stroke-by-stroke analysis can be performed if desired. Synchronizing recorded data with video may be accomplished by flashing a strobe light attached to the hot shoe on top of the E-rack by clicking the flash button near the upper left of the screen. The flash can be initiated at any time. It can be caught on an underwater camera and used to synchronize the video and Torrent Excel data in a Dartfish video analysis program. The instant the flash is activated, a timing mark is added to one data channel. When imported to the video analysis program, the timing mark can be precisely aligned with the frame where the flash occurs. This allows determining the precise relationship of the movements of the swimmer to the resultant changes in speed and acceleration. The Torrent E-rack is a poolside research and training tool which should interest coaches, swim teams, and researchers of sports science and physiology. More information can be found online at torrentswimtrainer.com.